one solved, bring over the next one, and then there you go.
Whoa! I solved it. Wait, no, I'm sorry, I forgot. No one does ZZ. One-handed. Whoa, did you just solve that? Oh, yeah. Wow, that was crazy. You must be really good at math or something. Oh, not really. I don't think I could solve it in a million years. Here, let me try it. Oh, sure, here. Whoa! How smooth it is! These are so much better than the ones we used to use when you were younger. Yeah, back then I used to just peel the stickers off, but you can't even do that to this one because there's no stickers. So advanced. Hey guys, it's your boy, the Rubik's Rizzler here. Today I'm going to see if I can solve this Rubik's Cube in under... Oh! Hold up. You can't do that. What? Why? WCA removed feet in 2020. You can't have feet anymore. Oh man.